Hi everyone, I'm Annie here. I'm back to show you another tutorial for this little tiny doily bag. Okay, yeah, you can use this bag for your fabric book, for the tag. Maybe put the tag bag, with the tag inside, or just a gift bag. Put little embellishment inside. Okay, so this is how I decorate it, and I use this crisscross trim available in my shop, and the doily small, and I make this doily bag very long time ago, but I use the size is quite bigger than this to put all my handmade flower inside the bag. And the bag, I think I forget who, maybe it's Jane, because the bag is not in my craft room anymore, and I forget where's the bag go now. But anyway, I will show you how do I make this with this doily, and it's very easy. Just depends the doily you use. So I use this one, is very tiny one. I think it's 10 cm. Okay, so this is how I create. Okay, so you receive everything in the kit, but just this one, the dangle will different, because I run out this and I make another one also is a dangle like the beads. And this one also, this one I use the bronze wire to twist the spray. So some of you will receive this, and some of you will receive this one different. Okay, so now I show you the simple way how to make this doily bag. Okay, and before that, if you want to store your item in the bag, you have to cover inside part with the fabric or whatever. So because this is the front here, I will not cover the in front with the fabric, cause this image already can cover, and what you need to do is just use this one to put inside also can, if you want. Just use the fabric, okay, to cover all the hole, so you can store the little goodies inside the bag. Okay, so like so. So it's very easy. This, I love to use this trim, because I use a lot for this, for my book binding, for my fabric book, and it's really good to use this one. So what you need to do is just screw this part. You find this is inside. So put the hot glue, and you have to check which one side is the inside. So just screw like so. You can add this one first, cause this will be in the back. Okay, just put a little bit of glue. Any fabric will do to cover all the hole. Okay, just like so you can cover the inside part. Okay, so start and you have to measure this open part here, so you have to stop. So yeah, okay. I think this I will for the bottom part here. So this side I will not glue, and see the length you prefer. So even like so, if cross this, okay, you can just continue, so you won't waste. So you see how many left, just leave it as a handle. And this part I continue. This is very easy. Doily back, okay. Remember until this way. If you want whiter, so you just leave 3. Leave until glue until here. Okay, like so, and then the more glue. And this part you can join together, so in the frame. So this part, yeah, glue it together, and you get another doily, and just okay, shape here, and glue it. You can start from here. So, yeah. So. Just so until here. Okay, super easy. Doily. Okay, so you got your back here. Okay, if you don't want to open the, sorry, let me do take away all the glue. Okay, if you can glue this side, if you don't want to open like so you have to make it smaller. Okay. So this little tiny bag. Okay. And yeah, now you can start this one because I could cover in front and see how I decorate this one. This I will trim. Okay, just trim the and this one I put underneath here. This is something, yeah. Oh, I think I left something here. Let me show you first. And this one I just put this here and this one here and this one here and I have another one here and this one there and this one. Like a chiffon, you just put underneath here. Okay, you can glue it just like so, and the flower up here. And I don't have any more the bead for this earring anymore. So yeah, what I did is I just hang it or glue it here. You can see. This is the earring, so I just hang it there. Okay. Yeah, let me do finish and show you. Okay. A little bit good and put this here. Finish here and so okay. And this one. Just put it a bit. Ya?
Udah selesai, apa lagi?
Apa tu?
Udah selesai masuk saya.
Oh, semua sudah siap?
Sudah?
Sudah, okey. Just put a little bit glue here, like so, and put your apricot. Like so. Okay. Okay. Says this one. Okay. So yeah, and yeah, don't forget this one. Just this is the way I alter, and you just follow your way to alter yours. And yeah, please share your project with us, see how you create yours. Okay, just like so. Let me just zoom in. Okay, and thanks again for everyone, and I will come back to show you another tutorial, and bye bye.